Hey everybody, it's Taryn. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. I am super excited to be back. I took a little bit of a break because I started a new job, so you know how that goes. Just trying to get your bearings and get your life back together. So since I'm in a new role and I do have a lot of different responsibilities, I decided to use my CCD planner specifically for work. So like this is gonna kind of live at my desk. It might come home for me from time to time, but it's mainly going to serve that purpose. So thankfully I figured that out. Because since July I've been trying to figure out what I was going to do with this planner, just because I love using my mini planner, my mini happy planner. Just convenient. It's small. I can put it in my purse and I can just go. But I do like this planner for all of the writing space and all of that. So that's what we're going to be doing moving forward. So I'm using my Chrishia design stickers that I bought. This is actually my second set. I'll link the video below for one of the other spreads I used for. I also got these More Design Co stickers. These are date cover stickers. So I'm super happy to use those. I'll be tired of writing it in because I'm working on the handwriting. It's still just not up to par. So I was happy I was able to get these in. This is actually a black-owned sticker shop on Etsy, so I'll link to her below as well. But I felt like this was the perfect thing, so I'm kind of going for like a pink/peachy girly theme this week, just to kind of get me both motivated because it is my second week in the new job. So just kind of want to freshen it up and get going. But for those of you that follow me on Instagram, it's TarynXO Love Plans with an S. I didn't completely disappear. I was kind of posting over there too, so feel free to go follow me and check me out over there to see kind of what I had been planning and doing in between, being on YouTube. But I'm back, and hopefully I'll have way more planning content since I finally decided what this planner is going to be. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video and let me know in the comments below what you're looking forward to. Thanks, and see you in the next video.